and today we'll be learning how to make candy stripe bracelets. For this bracelet, you'll need 3 choices of thread. I chose blue, pink, and purple. You'll also need a pair of scissors and something to hold your thread in place while you're making your bracelet. So this is a really helpful tool. There's a phone holder for like videos and something to hold your thread in place and to organize your threads. Let's go. Okay, so I have all my strands. All of them are about 84 inches. Now I'm gonna take all 3 strands, put them together like this, and then drape it down all the way to the end. Now I'm gonna take the other end and find the other end, put them together, and then drape it down to this other end, and then I'm gonna just do a knot. Then there's just a little knot. Okay, and then now we can get started. Okay, to start your candy stripe bracelet, we're going to put it in, and then I'm going to separate all the colors. So I'm going to do pink, pink, and then I'm going to do purple, purple, then blue, blue. Okay, now you're gonna take your first pink, then take your other pink, then you're gonna make a 4 like this, then you're gonna take this, then you're gonna put it under, and then over, and then all the way up. Then you're going to do another one, a 4, then under, over, then all the way up. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the purple. Okay, and then always do it 2 times for each string. Okay, I'm going to do it a little faster. Then you're going to take your last one, do it again. And then you're going to do the same thing with this other pink one. The first row is done. I did the second pink, and now we're going to move on to the purple. Just like we did with the pink, we're going to take the purple, the first purple, and then we're going to take the other purple, make a 4, then under and over. And remember, you have to do it twice. 4, under and over, then back up. Then take the blue, under, over, 4, under, over, and then the last pink, Okay, our first purple row is done. I'm just gonna show you. Looks great. Okay, I finished the next purple. Now we're gonna go over to the blue and 4 under, over, 4 under, over. I love making candy stripe bracelets because they're fast and easy to make. They look beautiful when you wear them. Almost done with the first blue. Okay, that looks good. It's looking great. I got all 3 of the colors. Yeah, looks really good. So I finished more of the candy stripe bracelet. If you just follow those simple steps, you'll get a beautiful bracelet. I also wanted to show you these bracelets. I got all pink, all blue, and this really nice one. I think it's really cute. I have a lot of fun making these bracelets, and I just think they're a super cute design. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.